Hey guys, it's Herbie for the latest and greatest episode of How to Make Cake Balls in just 5 easy steps. I brought along one of my most professional chef friends that I have, Katie here, man.
Hi, Herbie. How are you?
You need to make sure you have scissors. If there are any children or child in the area, make them step outside of the room because this is NSFW. So make sure you put always in the garbage disposable. What do we do in this house?
We recycle.
Say it in the microphone.
We recycle.
We recycle so the turtles don't end up dying with Coke bottles around their necks and then they drown. Put the cake in the bowl. So we put Alright, my hands are all nice and clean. Very nice and I feel it in my fingers. This is not the good angle. The lighting isn't the best, so we need to retry this. Okay.
We're gonna put 2 eggs in our batter.
Batter up!
Crack the egg. Oh. Okay, so let's keep going.
Music to my earlobes.
Good sound, Herbie.
The lighting is kind of bad here. Okay, we're gonna switch this up to make it look better real fast.
Okay. Alright, so you want to make sure everything in your bowl is nicely incorporated. And if you have any extra goodies to add, you're going to want to save those until after the cake bakes. Because there's a good spot I'll show you where you can add them. Alright, so then you're going to go ahead and get your batter here. Let me go over here. Get this on.
We're gonna make this very healthy. A few mangoes, strawberry, watermelon, all the fruits, the spirit, and a little bit of ranch mixed with this just to make it healthier. Oh, this looks so good.
You almost ready, Herbie? And that is why you don't eat anything with raw egg in it.
If everyone has a light bulb, make sure that they turn their light bulbs on in the feeder. The snow blows wide on the mountain tonight. Let it go! Go! Let it go! Take it away, you're mean!
The cold never bothered me anyway.
Love is an open door! First time in forever! The cold and the hot and it just makes sense. It's put it together and it just makes sense. Can't hold me back anymore. Let it go. Turn away. It's like
This is where you're gonna crumple the cake up.
look at that. It's so crumpled up.
Depending on how much cake you have, if it's a full cake, you usually do like a full can of icing.
My icing's broken. Next.
And it's up to you how big you want to make them. You can make them really big or you can make them kind of bite-sized. I usually go for the bite-sized ones.
It smells like ranch and carrots and all the fruits of the spirit mixed into one giant big ball.
We just have Ghirardelli white chocolate. You can use anything that will melt pretty much. And then
I
just
love
put
the
it
way
back
the
in
white
pan.
cream just sticks to the balls. Can't wait to lick it. Where's the sticks?
What
Starbucks always has the sticks.
You don't have to use the sticks.
No! When in doubt, suck it out. You wouldn't even know the difference between this and Starbucks.
Usually you can put these in the fridge after you're done dipping them in the chocolate and it'll kind of help them to harden. So if you just want to lightly coat it with whatever decoration, sometimes you have some candy, sprinkles, really anything that you want to do just to make them look pretty and taste good, that works. I've seen some people put strawberries and stuff on them before, so.
And And this concludes our video of how to make cake balls.
Cheers.
Cheers. Make sure you subscribe to my channel.
See you, everybody.